What can you do for mum this Mother's Day? The usuals: flowers, chocolates, a book, a dress, perhaps some high tea. Why not give mum something unique? Looking for that unique Mummy's Day experience, I landed up at the 𝗟𝗡𝗿𝗏 Centre at the National Gallery of Victoria in Federation Square, Melbourne, Australia. Here I am at Melbourne Now exhibition at 𝗟𝗡𝗏𝗏 Centre at the National Gallery of Victoria, Melbourne, Australia. Melbourne Now celebrates local art and design. 200 plus projects and events are happening across 3 levels at NGV Australia. This exhibition has been handpicked by Melbourne Fashion Festival as a possible Mummy's Day Out event. Melbourne Now features art, sculptures and installations, architecture and interior design, music and dance with a focus on the environment, the community, and cultural groups. Digital art and graphics. Australian flora and fauna, nature, landscapes, and first Australian art were prominently displayed. Toffee Apple, an experiment with masking tape by Cleo Knight. Hannah Gartside uses worn clothes to create the installation Forest Summons. Martin Bell's pen and ink drawings. Jack Snow Wiener's The Samishima Oysters, a tough facade that conceals inner turmoil. In 2013, the inaugural Melbourne Now exhibition celebrated the most exciting contemporary designers. 10 years on, in 2023, Melbourne Now exhibition is celebrating art, architecture, culture and design, practices that are shaping Melbourne, Australia. Celestine Hang's The Last You symbolizes how artificial intelligence is replacing human agency. Georgia Banks has created an AI chatbot you could interact with. You could also participate in an augmented reality experiment. This exhibition is on till 20th August, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Ian Potter Centre at National Gallery of Victoria, Federation Square, Melbourne, Australia. And what's the icing on the cake? Entry is free. Coming up next on Learn with Samita, Melbourne Now Part 2, Fashion Now, covering clothes, accessories, jewelry and costumes. Till then, we leave you with visuals of some Melbourne landmarks and the artistic interpretation by Gavin John.